Welcome to Red Mix Facts. Life flourishes in extraordinary forms, but hidden dangers often lurk in the most beautiful places. Imagine a plant in your backyard, lovely yet lethal, capable of paralyzing or even killing with a touch or taste. Across the globe, some plants have evolved potent chemical defenses, cloaked in vibrant flowers and tempting berries. Today, we peel back the facade to reveal nature's most dangerous plants, silent assassins where beauty and death intertwine. Let's discover how the world's most beautiful plants can also be the deadliest. Our journey begins in the woodlands of Europe and Asia, home to Atropa belladonna, deadly nightshade. This unassuming plant, with dusky flowers and glossy black berries, is a master of deception. Its berries look sweet and inviting, but just a few can be fatal, especially to children. The entire plant is toxic, but the berries concentrate its danger. The culprits, atropine and scopolamine, alkaloids that disrupt the nervous system, shutting down vital functions. Symptoms start with blurred vision and dry mouth, quickly escalating to delirium, hallucinations, and potentially death. The name Atropa comes from Greek mythology, Atropos, the fate who cuts the thread of life, a fitting symbol for this plant's power. Throughout history, nightshade has been both weapon and cosmetic. Roman assassins used it to eliminate rivals, while Renaissance women risked blindness for beauty by using its extracts to dilate their pupils. Today, its toxins are used in medicine. Atropine can dilate pupils or counteract nerve agents, proving the line between poison and remedy is thin. Some animals, like birds and rabbits, are immune and help spread its seeds, showing nature's adaptability. Atropa belladonna is a symbol of nature's duplicity. It beguiles, kills, and heals. It reminds us to look beyond appearances. What's beautiful can hide deadly secrets. In the wild, the difference between food and poison is often a matter of life and death. The nightshade's story is a warning. Never trust a pretty face in nature. Its legacy is both fascinating and fearsome, a testament to evolution's creativity. Even today, it stands as a lesson in caution and respect for the natural world. The next time you see a tempting berry, remember the nightshade's dark allure. Beauty and danger often walk hand in hand. In nature, survival favors the cunning and the deadly. The devil's berry is a master of both. Now, we travel to the tropical coasts of the Americas, where the manchineel tree, Hippomane mancinella, grows. Known as the little apple of death, it looks harmless, offering shade and crabapple-like fruit. But every part of this tree is a chemical weapon. Its milky sap contains phorbol, a toxin that causes severe burns and blisters on contact. Even standing beneath its branches in the rain can result in chemical burns as toxins wash down. Burning its wood releases toxic smoke that can blind and suffocate. The fruit, deceptively sweet at first, quickly turns to agony, causing swelling, internal bleeding, and potentially death. Indigenous peoples used its sap for poison arrows and as a tool of torture. Today, manchineel trees are marked with warning signs: do not touch, do not eat, do not seek shelter beneath. Its extreme toxicity is a defense against herbivores, ensuring its survival in harsh coastal environments. The fruit's buoyancy allows it to spread by sea, carrying danger to new shores. Countless explorers and tourists have suffered its effects. Columbus himself recorded its dangers. The manchineel is not just poisonous, it's aggressively hazardous in every way. It's a living do not touch sign from nature. In the search for paradise, one can stumble into a living hell. The manchineel is the world's most dangerous tree, a beautiful sentinel of suffering. Its story is a stark warning. Not all that is green is good. Respect the signs and keep your distance. In nature, the most inviting places can be the most perilous. The manchineel's beauty is a deadly illusion. Beware the little apple of death. Next, we turn to a familiar sight, Ricinus communis, the castor bean plant. Its star-shaped leaves and spiky seed pods make it a garden favorite, but its seeds hide ricin, one of the world's most potent toxins. Castor oil, extracted safely by heating, is widely used in medicine and industry. But the raw beans are deadly. A few can kill an adult. Ricin is a cytotoxic protein that shuts down cells' ability to make proteins, leading to organ failure. Symptoms depend on exposure. Ingestion causes vomiting and organ collapse. Inhalation leads to respiratory failure. There's no antidote. treatment is only supportive. Ricin's potency has attracted attention from those with sinister intent. It's been used in assassinations and as a bioterror agent, most famously in the 1978 umbrella murder of Georgy Markov. The castor bean's duality is striking, a source of healing oil and a blueprint for silent death. Many gardeners are unaware of the danger lurking in its seeds. The colorful pods can tempt children, making accidental poisonings a real risk. The plant's story is a reminder: beauty and danger often coexist. Nature's gifts can be double-edged, useful and deadly. The castor bean is a silent killer hiding in plain sight. Its presence in parks and gardens is a lesson in caution. Even the most common plants can harbor uncommon threats. In the natural world, knowledge is your best defense. The castor bean's legacy is both beneficial and deadly. Handle with care and always respect what you grow. Sometimes, the most ordinary plants are the most extraordinary killers. Meet Nerium oleander, the suburban assassin. This evergreen shrub, with its vibrant flowers, lines highways and gardens worldwide. But every part of oleander is toxic. Leaves, flowers, stems, sap, even the water in a vase. Its cardiac glycosides, especially oleandrin, disrupt the heart's rhythm, leading to fatal arrhythmias. Ingesting even a single leaf can be deadly, especially for children and pets. Burning oleander releases toxic smoke. Even garden waste is hazardous. Symptoms begin with nausea and vomiting, then progress to heart irregularities, seizures, and death without prompt treatment. Despite its dangers, oleander remains popular for its resilience and beauty. Many people are unaware of the risks, handling and planting it without caution. Its toxins persist in dead leaves, making it a lasting threat. Accidental poisonings are common, especially among children and animals. Oleander's story is a warning. Danger can be hidden in plain sight. We often overlook the risks of familiar plants, assuming beauty means safety. But the most lethal threats can be the most ordinary. Oleander forces us to rethink our surroundings. What's common isn't always harmless. Its resilience is part of its danger. It thrives where others fail. The suburban assassin is a reminder: always know what you plant. Beauty can be a mask for danger. In the natural world, caution is key. Oleander's allure is matched only by its lethality. Sometimes the deadliest killers are right outside your door. Our final specimen is Aconitum, monkshood, also called wolf's bane or the queen of poisons. Its striking blue or purple flowers and tall stalks make it a garden favorite, but its beauty hides a swift, deadly poison aconitine. Aconitine is a neurotoxin and cardiotoxin, most concentrated in the roots and seeds. It can be absorbed through the skin. Just handling the plant without gloves is risky. The toxin forces open sodium channels in nerves and heart cells, causing paralysis and cardiac chaos. Symptoms appear quickly: tingling, numbness, nausea, muscle weakness, and erratic heartbeat. Death can occur within hours from respiratory failure or heart arrhythmia. Historically, monkshood was used for assassinations and hunting wolves. Its reputation for swift death is ancient. Folklore links it to witchcraft and dark magic, reflecting its fearsome power. Even today, accidental poisonings happen. Gardeners and hikers mistake it for harmless plants. In some traditional medicines, it's used after careful processing, but mistakes are often fatal. Monkshood tolerates no errors. Its poison is unforgiving. The plant's legacy is woven into myth and history, a symbol of nature's lethal artistry. It's a reminder that evolution has crafted toxins more complex than any we can create. The Queen of Poisons is a fitting end to our journey, stunning, swift, and deadly. Nature's most beautiful creations can be the most dangerous. Always respect what you touch and admire from a distance. Monkshood's story is a final warning. Beauty and peril are often intertwined. In the plant kingdom, survival favors the cunning and the toxic. The Queen of Poisons reigns supreme, majestic and merciless. Let her be a lesson in caution and awe. Our journey through nature's poison garden ends here. We've seen deadly berries, caustic trees, and silent suburban killers. These plants aren't evil, they're masters of survival, evolved to defend and thrive. Their stories remind us, nature is both wondrous and dangerous. The line between beauty and poison is thin. Curiosity is vital, but caution is essential. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe for more amazing science and survival facts. Until next time, stay safe, stay curious, and respect the power of the natural world. See you in the next one.